Dwayne here, PhoenixTypewriter.com. Got a Royal KMG. Well, it looks like a KMG, but it's not a KMG. If you were to look at the serial number here, I don't think we can see that. It says KMM. What? It sure looks like a gray machine to me, which is KMG. Well, thing is, this used to be a KMM, and it was repainted probably back, or refurbished, repainted back in the 50s. So you can tell certain reasons. You can tell this for sure, not only the serial number, but this plate is still black right here. So they didn't paint that. There were no painted symbols here, so I painted those myself. I added those to make it look a little better. Let's see what else are signs that this is a KMG or KMM. This piece here is black. On a KMG it would be gray. It doesn't have any emblems on the back here because they were painted over. And there's probably a couple other things I just can't remember them right off the bat here. Let's see if I can remember. Well, you can see the black paint coming through where it's worn off. That's another sign. This panel is also black up here, right here, instead of gray. And this bracket back here is black, but you know, I'm not sure that wasn't black on the KMGs. So, still, very nice typewriter. Not so much when they brought it into the shop for repair, but it is now. It needed everything. There was a bunch of links broken in here on the type bars here. This link up near the segment. It was kind of a disaster. A lot of these keys were bent here, right on the keyboard. Levers were bent up here on the top. Bell didn't work. The list was pretty long on this. Let's see if I got the list here. Oh, there it is. Oh yeah, I had to do all 4 feet down here. The spacers, increase the shift tension down here. Pretty much flush this thing all the way out. Yeah, there's a list of things here, but margin sliders were bad back here. Everything's been reworked. This is an excellent machine now. Let's take a look. Let's do a little type sample here just to see how she's doing here this morning. And see if I can get my camera in position here. Now is the time. Oops. Let's try this again. I think I got ahead of myself there. That's a little better. Going a little too fast for the typewriter. So this is all ready to go. Just wanted to highlight a KMG now. That KMM camouflage as a KMG. That's what I was trying to say. And good day.